Hi, my name is Therease Thompson, and I've had the pleasure of working very closely with both Rudy and Bart over this past year. Both have been a tremendous help to me and the way I approach business. I am indebted to this dynamic duo, that's what I call them, for the guidance they've offered me, and I'm very appreciative to have them as business partners. Their ability to influence, teach, and change the success trajectory of entrepreneurs in the MLM industry is not only innovative but inspiring. I love their energy and shared content, but what has me the most excited is a new tool they've collaboratively engineered to help MLM entrepreneurs automate the entire recruitment process from start to finish. This new solution is one of the most out-of-box solutions I've encountered since becoming a business owner myself. They're committed to changing the way people see the MLM industry, not only the recruitment process, but the way teams are structured and supported towards a model of growth and success to ensure everyone, and I mean everyone, across all experience levels win. If you are privileged enough to have the opportunity to join one of their teams and become a member of their downline, I guarantee you that it would be one of the biggest exponentially positive shifts in your mindset and business plan. Access to their full suite of systems, resources, and tools will definitely give you the advantage you need over your competition. And their mentoring and leadership consistency will provide exactly the support you need to not only launch, but develop and grow your business into the empire that you aspire to build.